So I'm here now at Brentville and having some video on what's gonna happen later and what's gonna happen now. But first things first, let me interview the ladies of Mr. Bermudez. The name of Miss Jonah Natividad. What can you say about Mr. Bermudez? Wow, so sexy. And right here, cutting some
one of the ladies
cheese is Miss Rolin Obina, who had sex for 4 times a month since 16 years of age.
Where did I get the idea of it's healthy to have sex at least once a week? It's from Joey! Who else would teach me? Joey Bermudez.
Hoy, ito yung suman mo. Mamaya na to.
Mamaya.
Ichu, what can you say about Mr. Bermudez?
Oh, he's my idol actually. He's so, what to say, he writes so well. I envy him on how he deals with things. Very calm, hindi siya high blood like me. So where can you find a man like that?
Only in your dreams actually.
In your dreams.
Let's interview Nick. Nick.
Excuse me.
Ayaw mo
Hindi na makapira ang mukha ko sa klam, magandahan na. Bungi.